Hey, welcome, and thank you so much for checking out my video today. I hope you guys will stick around to the end. In today's video, I'll actually be going through my master bedroom and I'll be changing my sheets. Then I'll finally be adding decor to my nightstands. I feel like my boys will actually let me decorate my nightstands now, so I'm gonna try to give it a go. But yeah, that's why they're pretty plain, because the boys never really let me decorate because they think, oh look, mom put out some funny toys for us. This is actually a shelf in my room. I put up all of the Easter decor pieces, so that's why it looks like there's a bunch of random things on here. For those of you who don't know, my husband is a veteran. He used to be in the Air Force. Now he's in the Air National Guard. And recently he became an officer. And I've been wanting to make a wall full of his certificates and everything that he's accomplished in his military career, but we still haven't found the time to hang those up. We picked a few of our favorites and we put them here on this shelf, and I really liked how it turned out. I like how there was nothing on my husband's nightstand to begin with, but of course mine, there's like diapers and random pins. On my nightstand, I decided to add some plants because I've really been into plants and greenery lately, so I really liked how these turned out, even though they're pretty simple, but simple can go a long way. So before I go ahead and start decorating, I wanted to show you guys what I found at Hobby Lobby, because they're having tons of sales to get rid of old inventory for their new inventory coming in. And I'm not above old inventory, so I love me a good sale. But anyways, let me show you guys what I got. I got this, and it was only $8.74, so like $8 or $9, I guess. These were just part of the spring sale, because these are all like the spring in the little spring shop, sorry. But I got this one. It says you are loved beyond a measure. This one says blessed. I love the little flowers coming out of it. And this is like a little tin. I don't know if you guys can see that little tin material. This one says amazing grace. And this one says no rain, no flowers, which is true, you know. These are $2.50 each. This one is $2. I don't know if you can see like the size difference. This one was like almost 3 inches. Super cute. And then this one was this one was $4, which I thought was worth it. This is like 6.5 inches. I believe this was 50% off part of the table decor, so it was $4.50. So it's our happy place. And of course I had to get the kids some little activities, so I got this one. We got Noah's Ark here. We could do this one. Oh, and so the main reason why I went to Hobby Lobby is because my husband gave me a gift card for Mother's Day to Hobby Lobby, which he knows me well. I love Hobby Lobby. But I went a little bit over budget, but it was worth it. Even the cashier was like, yeah, no, this stuff is totally worth that much. She's like, you got a lot for that amount. I was like, yes, girl, thank you. Thank you. My husband is right there. He's just like, Got this for the door. 16, so I believe this was $8. So this is just like the under the actual doormat rug. This one is only $10. don't want to get this stuff on my floor, but yeah, this one is only 10 bucks, and I like this one. It had blue little flowers on it. This one was 20 bucks in the spring shop. Yeah, it was in the spring shop, so it's 50% off. But it says full house, full hands, full heart, which I love. I love that little saying. And then this is just like a simple little painting, or I guess it's like a watercolor print. It was only 8 bucks. These are the things that I got. These are all of the decor pieces that I'll be using in today's video. Some of them I won't actually be using, but a lot of these I've had thrown in with a couple of new things. But first, we will do an impromptu tea party hosted by my daughter. She even made fresh muffins, and we had the best orange juice. It was so fun, so I just had to throw this little clip in there.
I love that.
That's cute. Thank you. Cheers. There you go.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope.
Now I will be decorating my kitchen, starting with this little coffee area. I went ahead and removed all of the old decor, and I'm wiping it down, wiping all the coffee drips and splashes off. And this took me a couple tries to get it right. I really liked that Lazy Susan or Tired Tina, however you want to say it. But it was just too big, and I love it, but I still haven't found a place to use it. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and give that to my mom so she can find some use for it. Once I decorate this area, I'll be decorating 2 other little spots in my kitchen, and then I'll be decorating it near my sink. Like I said earlier, I went ahead and took all of my Easter decor down prior to this video, so that's why things look a little bare and empty. I'm going to go ahead and remove all of these old decor pieces and wipe this table down. It's pretty dusty. We kind of use this as our entry table. I'll just be adding some decor pieces on top and changing out my pillow and my blanket on the bottom basket down below. Later on, you'll see in the video, my son Isaac wanted to help me. He's, I wouldn't say a mama's boy, but he definitely loves his mama, and he likes to be by me. He likes to do whatever I'm doing, and I love that, and I definitely wanted to capture that.
heartbeat. Forgot to look beyond, I see the other side. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. Now that's an understatement. To walk alone, I guess it's
Go ahead, you okay?
please give me a light, show me what I need.
Watch your head. When I can, I always use command strips. So I buy a lot of command strips from like those bulk stores, and they definitely come in handy. For the next clip, I'm going to be decorating my front porch to prevent the signs from banging on the door when you open and shut the door. I like to put a couple of command strips behind the sign. That way everything kind of stabilizes and I don't have to get those annoying noises, especially when I have like toddlers napping throughout the day.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by leaving a comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'd love to have you here. If you like family content, vlogs, homeschooling, home decor, organizing, all of the mom things, please subscribe. Don't forget to turn on those notifications so you will get notified every time I post a new video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
Someone hurt your feelings.